28 days fasting and prayers at CAC Bubiashie Central. To join us at this year's Solid Foundation 2026 to pray and ask God for His protection, mercies, and favors throughout this year. And this year, we will be privileged to have some eminent and powerful men of God, the likes of Apostle Samuel Amponsa Frimpo, Apostle Samuel Adai Kusi, Apostle Stephen Amuani, Apostle George A. Mokla, Apostle Samuel Kweli Mensa, Apostle Augustine Ekuba, Apostle Eric Amuako Ajima, Apostle Chris K. Now, Reverend Dr. George Asante, Reverend Solomon Ajekum, Reverend Yao Ajekum Asante, and Reverend Seth Ajekum Frimpong. Host, Song Ministrations, Minister Dokas Apia, Minister Gifty Donko, Minister Kofi Nunu, Minister Jackson Kwe, Minister Kojo Saira. The church choir. Our theme for this year is taken from Matthew chapter 6 verse 10, unleashing the giftings and power of the kingdom to bless the world. Time, 6 p.m. each night. But remember, it's 8 a.m. every Sundays. And it's starting from 5th January to 1st February. Venue, CAC Bubiashie Central, near Allied Filling Station. Solid